Hi, I'm Amy Koranek, a Sculpey brand ambassador. Let's take a look at our most popular brands of Sculpey oven-baked clays. Let's first look at Original Sculpey. Original Sculpey comes in white and in terracotta, and it comes in bulk sizes which make it perfect for groups and classrooms. It's soft and easy to use right out of the package, requiring minimal conditioning. You can paint, sand, drill, anything you want to with Original Sculpey. Also, you can work on it over time. You can keep adding to your little masterpiece until you're done and ready to cure it permanently in your home oven. Because it won't air dry, you can just keep working on it and adding to it. This is one of our white samples, but it's been dry brushed to show the paint and the white clay coming through. This is a terracotta sample. You can see the terracotta here, and the rest of the little bird has just been highlighted with paint. You can also embellish Original Sculpey with anything that can go into the clay that's oven safe. Original Sculpey is definitely a perfect clay for beginners. Next, let's take a look at Sculpey 3. Sculpey 3 comes in a 2-ounce bar, an 8-ounce bar, and a 1-pound pack. And it comes in a multitude of fun and bright colors. It's perfect for beginning sculptures and home accents. Next, let's take a look at Sculpey Primo, and I'm going to tell you why Primo is my favorite brand. Primo comes in 2-ounce bricks, 8-ounce bars, and it comes in lots of multi-packs of your favorite combinations. Also, it comes in lots of different colors like plain solid colors, glitters, metallics, and even special accent colors. Primo is also based on a color mixing palette, which makes it reliable for mixing your own custom colors so that you know what you're going to get every time. Primo is super strong and flexible, making it perfect for jewelry making and for functional items. For example, a hair barrette like this needs to function and last for a long time. The metal piece underneath is going to flex and bend every time it's used. And Primo is the perfect clay to put on top of that because it has its own flexibility, which will go right along with the metal piece. Primo Sculpey holds detail really well, making it perfect for advanced techniques like cane making and mokume gane. Primo is truly the artist's choice for professional clay making. Now let's look at Sculpey Soule. Sculpey Soule comes in a collection of fashion colors. It comes in 1.7-ounce bars, 7-ounce bars, and in multi-packs of your favorite color combos. Sculpey Soule is super strong and ultra flexible. That makes it perfect for jewelry and functional items. For example, this piece was extruded into ropes. The ropes were baked individually and then braided into this beautiful knot. In this sample, we actually sewed the feather to the bag after the feather was baked. Sculpey Soule also pairs perfectly with Primo. In this situation, Primo was used to add metallic, shine, and glitter to the souffle to give it a whole different look on the surface. Sculpey Soule is the perfect choice for artists and professional crafters alike. Now moving on to another of my favorites, Liquid Sculpey. Liquid Sculpey comes in a variety of finishes like opaque, metallic, clear, translucent, and even glow in the dark. The Liquid Sculpey comes in 1-ounce bottles with an adjustable flow cap. It comes in 2-ounce bottles for some select colors, and then in 3-ounce multi-packs. Liquid Sculpey can be used in combo projects like this one, where it was molded for the inside, and then we used Sculpey 3 and other elements to put it all together. Liquid Sculpey is great for window clings and mirror clings. Liquid Sculpey can be poured into silicone molds like these hair pieces. Inside the hair pieces we even added sequins, mica flake, you can add dried flowers. Anything that will go in a 275-degree oven can be incorporated in your Liquid Sculpey designs. For home decor items, we use silicone molds to make coasters. This project features Liquid Sculpey used as the baked elements in the blue and also as the grout surrounding the blue elements all over the frame. This earring pair is a combination of several colors of Liquid Sculpey which were mixed together in the mold to create a marbled effect. Liquid Sculpey can be used with all of our other brands of oven-baked clays. Finally, let's take a look at Super Sculpey. Super Sculpey comes in 3 firmness levels: original, medium, and firm. Super Sculpey Living Doll comes in 4 different skin tones: baby, beige, light, and espresso. These colors can be mixed together in any color combination that you want to get the perfect skin tone. Super Sculpey is the premier choice for professional artists and sculptors. Just look at all these fantastic sculptures that can be made using Super Sculpey. Now that you've been introduced to our most popular products, please visit us on Sculpey.com to see our full product line. You'll also find thousands of step-by-step tutorials to get you started on your creative journey.